Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Yes, I do. Okay, we are going to be talking soon. My team is trying to put things together. It's going to be a live demo of a lovely technique, which is the most trending technique right now, and definitely one of my favorite brand, which I vouch for. I have worked with that brand, and I want you to see it to believe it, right? So best of two worlds, I would say. Everybody has heard about Korean glass glow? Yes, no? Yes? What is so great about that technique? Anybody? Why is it so famous? Why is glass glow famous? Anybody? क्या impact आता है, क्या result मिलता है glass glow से? Glow, hydrating, suppleness, right? And to achieve that kind of a result, right? We are definitely not Koreans, we are Indians, right? Our skin type, the weather condition, our skin concerns are very different, right? But यहाँ पे भी मुझे वैसी ही skin चाहिए, right? I want a glowing skin, I need a hydrating skin, I need an absolutely healthy skin, right? And how do I achieve that? I'm going to achieve by picking up the best from that technique, and of course, one of the best brand, that is Soothees. Okay? We are going to combine them. I have tried to put the entire recipe together so that we can get the maximum benefit of these two lovely, the technique as well as a brand. Okay, that's what we are going to be showcasing right now. Till the time my team is putting things together, anybody has any questions or want to know a little bit more about what Soothees is or what about the glass glow facial is? Anybody? Like to know more about glass glow, right? How does a glass दिखता कैसे है? Huh? Transparent, shiny, right? It just, whatever light goes onto it, it just shines back, right? It reflects back. And this is what we are trying to achieve by having a very healthy, supple, soft skin, right? That's why glass glow facial is famous. Korean, they genetically, they have a good skin, right? What they are saying is the moment you make your skin soft and supple, hydrated, your skin will start glowing, and that glow is internal, right? अंदर से वो skin बहुत soft, supple दिखती है. हमने सबने बच्चे की skin देखी है, 2-3 महीने की बच्चे की skin देखी है. कैसे दिखती है वो skin? एकदम soft होती है, ऐसी moist होती है. बहुत अच्छा moisturizing होता है उसके अंदर, right? नमी होती है उस skin के अंदर. हम definitely अभी बढ़ चुके हैं, बड़े हो गए हैं. We have not maintained the same kind of skin. But what we are trying to do is, with the best of ingredients and the technology, I'm trying to achieve the same, right? So that I can have a soft and a supple skin, जो कि moist दिखे, and because it is moist, it just looks nice and transparent and healthy, right? And we in India, we have a fixation for glow, right? At the end of it, everybody needs a glowing skin, right? And that's what we are planning to achieve by using the technique, the science behind it, and the ingredient that we get a glowing skin, right? So अभी हम वही करने जा रहे हैं. Can I have the PPT, please? Yeah. Okay. Any further questions till the time they're putting the things together? After how many sittings? See, this is a very subjective question, right? For somebody, you can see the results instantly, right? Depending on your physical health and your skin health, how well you're taking care of your skin, right? If you have never taken care of your skin, one facial is definitely not going to do any magic, right? But hydration level, yes. you will see some data that we have put together, which is fantastic again. And these are clinical data. These are not something that I have written. So almost 90% hydration you can see in one sitting itself, right? So the ingredient, again, the kind of potent ingredient that we have added into this facial, you will see instant hydration. And because it has instant hydration, your skin will start feeling, you know, luminous, glow, supple again, and that's when you see results, right? Pardon? Contraindications would be again something relating to a facial. Now, if there is a skin infection, obviously you can't do that. If somebody has a contagious infection, you can't do that, right? So basic and active acne, ideally you should avoid. So these are the basic contraindication. You can use machines as well. You can use currents as well. I'm right now not showcasing because the focus here is more on the products and the technique. But you can add any machine to it, any current to it. Basically, the idea is to exfoliate and to penetrate the product inside. You can definitely use it with a HydraFacial machine, right? Pardon? It's just launched today. Now you will be getting the products, right? Yeah. So that's the excitement. It is a very well-known brand. Let me talk a little bit more about Soothise. Soothise is a 75-year-old brand, right? It's from France. A lot of research, development has gone into it, right? This is not a new brand. I mean to say, they know exactly what they're talking. It was there in India a few years back, right? Because of XYZ reason, it was not out there openly, right? Now we want to revive the entire brand, and it is in the right hand right now. So we know the brand will be given a due justice. You will have the best of ingredient, the best of brand very soon from today onwards in your salon, right? और वो भी पेटेंट इन्होंने किया हुआ है, तो इनका बहुत ज़्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी के ऊपर, रिसर्च के ऊपर इनका जोर है, right? Sorry? Correct. Very good question. How effective is it for an Indian skin, right? It's a 75-year-old brand. It's across all the continents that you can think about, all countries that you can think about. ये India में भी available था few years back, right? So जब जितनी पुरानी कंपनी होती है उतना ज़्यादा उनका रिसर्च होता है, right? So they now have studied a lot of skin. They understand the requirement that we have, right? Asian skin की क्या requirement है? They have modified a lot of their technology according to them. A lot of products are introduced in India that are very well suited for an Indian skin, right? And because they are present across the geography, उनका जो ingredient भी use करते हैं वो ऐसे use करते हैं कि सबके skin type के लिए काम करे, right? And 75 years, you can imagine how well developed the brand is. Yeah? Okay. Here we start, right? Can I have the model also? Acha, for this. Which button? Okay. So the ritual that I'm going to be talking about, right, is the Soothise glass skin ritual. Okay. As I mentioned, we are doing the best of two techniques, the Korean glass glow plus Soothise ingredients, right? And hence the name glass skin ritual. Okay. Something very specific to Soothise, right? We are saying it's a French luxury brand, right? It is from France, and everybody knows what France believes in, quality, right? Ultimate ingredients, the best of quality ingredients, right? They really believe in giving out quality products to us, right? The next is, it's a research driven. As I mentioned, it's a 75-year-old brand, right? And a detailed R&D is done for each and every product that they launch, right? So it is a completely research-driven. They not only use existing product ingredient, but they also use their patented. If they feel that this particular ingredient is required, they have actually patented those ingredients. Yes. The next is are core values of Soothis, right? What are the core values? We are talking about innovation, quality. As I mentioned, French brand is definitely all about quality, innovation, because they keep upgrading their ingredient, they keep upgrading the techniques, right? And exceptional results. So, जो सर को थोड़ा doubt है, वो भी हम clear कर देंगे when you get the results. So don't worry, right? You will definitely see a result on the best of the skin. क्या हुआ? आ जाओ. आपने आप हाथ मत लगाइएगा. नहीं हाथ मत लगाइए, दूर से देखिए. आप हाथ मत लगाइए प्लीज, दूर से देख लीजिएगा. आप हैंड वॉश करके आना पड़ेगा आपको. जाइए हैंड वॉश करके आना पड़ेगा आपको. ठीक है, प्रोडक्ट्स है. एक मिनट, एक सैनिटाइजर है. हाँ, आप फेशियल करते हैं? हाँ ठीक है, हैंड सैनिटाइज कर लीजिए. सॉरी, यस. हाँ, no, 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 I don't have a problem. It's okay. Let him have his doubts clear. It's okay. It's okay. It's just that the model should not have a problem. That's it. I don't have a problem. Yeah. आप उनसे पूछ के हाथ लगाइएगा, ठीक है? हाँ. हाँ हाँ. मैं नहीं बैठी हूँ, वो है. She should be comfortable. नहीं, उन्होंने मना किया. It's okay. It's okay. हाँ. In fact, we are doing that also on the stage, right? Okay. What is the glass glow that we are talking about today? Right? We are saying that this is inspired by Korean technique, right? We all have heard. I'm going to step down so that I'm not blocking your view. Yes. So I'm going to be talking about the glass glow, right? As I had mentioned, this is a Korean technique that we are showing, right? The one which is so famous right now, everybody in the world has been talking about. Not only India, the entire US has been taken over by the glass glow treatment and the technique, right? Transformative treatment, what are we saying is, by just doing the right thing, the right way, using the right kind of ingredient and the right process, what you see is a great result. Pardon? Pardon? And as I had mentioned, Korean glass glow has a universal appeal, right? It is not a craze only in India, it is a craze across the globe, right? And that's why we have picked this up, because I know as a salon owner, as a professional, this particular topic is going to be liked, and you guys are all waiting for this particular topic, right? And hence we chose this product. Pardon? वहाँ पे नहीं दिखेगा, वहाँ के लोगों के लिए. I think there is all connection there, so we can't move. No, there are all connection there, right? I guess there are seats empty there. You guys can move there. There is all empty seats, please. Please move that side. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now is it clear? Everybody can see the steps there, right? Okay. Now what benefits should you expect when you get this facial done, right? Even if you're offering this facial in your salon, right? What is that you should expect from this particular facial, right? We are talking about dewy and plump skin. This is exactly what a hydration would do to your skin, correct? Hydration plumps up your skin, right? And it makes your skin, again, as I said, soft and supple. And that is exactly what you should expect out after this particular facial. The next is improved texture. It is not only about hydration, right? Even the way your skin will look and feel is going to change, right? Because the kind of ingredient it is using to exfoliate your dead skin, your skin will, the texture will start improving, okay? What she is doing currently right now is a cleansing, a regular cleansing step, right? The third is a natural radiance. And why we are emphasizing on the word natural there, because though we are doing a treatment facial, but all the ingredient that we have used in this facial is going to bring out the best from within, right? And as I had mentioned, Sotheby's used very advanced technology when it comes to products. And that's exactly what you're going to see, not only hydration, not only improved texture, but also a natural radiance and a natural glow that you should expect after this facial. The third, the fourth, the most important, if you ask me, is the strengthened barrier, right? At the same time, I understand hydration is important, right? Texture is very important. Your skin has to look nice, but your skin also needs to be healthy, right? The ingredient that we are using in this facial is going to strengthen the barrier of the skin. It's going to make your skin, very healthy and strong. And the last but not the least is a universal, suitability is what I think the question was asked, whether it is meant for an Indian skin, right? This particular ingredient, again, is meant for all skin type and for every nationality. So we are not saying कि ये skin type पे चलेगा, इस skin type पे नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. These are the steps. I think somebody was asking here, how many steps do we have, right? If you look at it, and that is exactly what Korean glass skin is all about. It is a ritual of 10 products, right? In authentic Korean, is 10 products. It's double cleansing, right? Then exfoliation. You take care of the entire texture of the skin. Then once your skin is absolutely clean at different levels, right, superficial, dead skin is removed, pores are clean, is when your skin is ready to absorb whatever has been applied, right? And Korean skin, again, they work on the principle that once your skin is clean, then they start building up the product, right? In Sotheby's, we have these ingredients that are meant and that works very well with this technique. So we are going to apply a toner, an essence. Essence is a very important ingredient of a Korean facial, right? So we will be using a toner, an essence, and then we will be using a serum, and then a massage cream, and over that a mask. So we seal everything together, right? And at the end, of course, we will be applying a sunscreen. So how you layer the entire process is important. And that is exactly the technique behind the Korean skin, right? How you use, how you differentiate, what is the gap, what is the sequence of the product is what defines a Korean skin. And that is what we are going to be showcasing you right now, okay? What she's doing right now is the double cleansing, right? She is working on the cleansing phases, right? So she did a basic cleansing which will take care of her makeup removal, right? Dirt, pollution, grime, everything on the surface of the skin. Then she is ensuring that she is double cleansing to ensure that the cleanser is also not on the face, right? Most of the time we have seen that people react after a facial because the cleanser is not removed properly. It blocks the pores. You know, आप लोगों ने सुना होगा, कई बार लोग बोलते हैं facial के बाद blackheads हो गए, breakout हो गया, सुना है नहीं सुना? बहुत common है, right? The reason is because the cleanser is not removed properly, right? It clogs the pores because the molecular structure of a cleanser is not very tiny. Hence, it blocks the pores, and that's what causes a breakout after a facial. So, pardon? Pardon? Not yet, not yet. It's right now, it's only talking about cleansing, different levels of cleansing. Correct, right? Of course, cleansing technique or the way it has been done, when you get a demo, personalized demo in your salon, you will actually get to see the amount of product she's using, the way it has to be done. You know, right now, since we are doing a demo, we are doing a very fast track one, right? Otherwise, this particular facial would take almost an hour. If I want to really do justice to the facial, right now, I'm just doing it in like 30 minutes. So you can understand I have to do a very rapid fire steps here, right? What she's doing is, right, this particular product that you can see on her face is, you're doing a bio, right? So bio peeling is right now one of their cleanser that she's using. A regular cleanser she used of Soothis. Now she's using another cleanser which is going to take care of the previous cleanser and ensuring that the skin is absolutely free of all the dirt, grime, and everything, right? Post this, we will work on the exfoliation, right? How important is exfoliation in a facial? Is it important? It is the make or break of a facial, if you ask me, right? Any facial, if I want to be very sure about the outcome, it is only, not the only step, but one of the most important steps of a facial, right? What kind of exfoliation? You cannot be very harsh. You cannot be stripping off the moisture and the oil from the face, right? At the same time, I want to ensure that the dead skin layer has been removed, right? Without causing any irritation on the skin. The kind of ingredients, again, that are used in this particular process, they are so mild, yet so effective, right? None of the product is going to give you any kind of reaction, right? A thorough research, a lot of clinical trials have been done, and nobody has ever faced a problem. Again, once in a while or once in blue moon, somebody might, but that's how it can be, because human skin, how it reacts, nobody can say, right? Right now, she is just finishing the cleansing process. We are not using any currents or any equipment. You can definitely use machines. You can, of course, yes, this is just a cleanser. So you can do all the equipment relating to scrubbing, to cleansing, right? The cleansing brush and everything, definitely, right? Yeah. After this is exfoliation I was mentioning, right? A very gentle and an effective exfoliator will be applied on the face, right? You don't need to do anything. It is a cleanser which works on its own, right? And it will start eating up the cement between the cells and make them loose so that the dead skin layer comes off very easily, right? The second product that we use ensures that no residues of the exfoliator also remains on the face, right? Because these are peels that we use, right? You don't want anything on the face to be left so that there are no adverse effects on the skin. And if you have heard about Desqua cream, has anybody heard about Desqua cream of Soothis? Okay, you should definitely Google it later on, right? That Desqua cream, it is one of their hero product, right, for exfoliation. Sorry, yes. Just DES. हाँ. बहुत ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव स्किन होगी तो वो तो नॉर्मल है, बट अदरवाइज नहीं. दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी माइल्ड पील, बहुत ही माइल्ड पील है ये. इनफैक्ट हम बोलते हैं कि सेंसिटिव स्किन पे भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. हम ये भी बोलते हैं कि ये इतना माइल्ड होता है कि सेंसिटिव स्किन पे भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके, Desqua, DESQUACREME, Desqua cream, right? It is one of the hero products, right? Right now what she's using is an AC peel, right? She's using a very mild exfoliator. This can be used on a sensitive skin as well, right? A very thin application, if you can see what she's doing. You don't need too much of product. With Soothis, little is more, right? Because we are so confident about the ingredient that we use, it's definitely going to give you result. So even in the salon, when we talk about cost per service, this is absolutely functional, right? It is not going to create a hole in your pocket, right? It is going to give you the benefit by only using the minimal quantity required, right? If you can see, she's gently applying it all over the face. No rubbing, no, no aggressive step is required. And this is a new generation peel. You don't need to neutralize it. Like we have seen that in the past, right? Whoever has worked with the peels, you need to neutralize it. You need to ensure that this is completely settled. Nothing of that sort is required. Even if it remains on the skin for 3 minutes, for 5 minutes, no damage is ever going to cause to the skin, right? Pardon? I can't hear you. It has a combination of a lot of AHAs and PHAs, right? But a milder versions of AHAs, yeah? As we were talking about exfoliation, and this is the step that she's doing currently, right? Exfoliation, as I had mentioned, what does exfoliation do? Exfoliation helps get rid of the dead skin layer, right? Which is collected on the skin, which doesn't allow the skin to breathe, which doesn't allow the potent ingredient to penetrate inside the skin, right? The moment I take care of that, now whatever is applied on the skin, right, it will penetrate deeply. Second, it will also help you improve the entire texture of the skin because you have already taken care of the dead skin layer. Are you with me on this? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? किसी को कोई questions? Any questions? Right? So it says removes dead skin cell for better product absorption, right? Refines texture for the perfect glass effect. And this is what we want. Third step है. Cleansing, second cleansing किया उन्होंने. Now exfoliation. अब इसके बाद fourth step आएगा. Twice exfoliation. Normally it takes an hour. Normally it's an hour. See, of course, everything, including the entire facial, is for an hour. Of course, I can't show that for an hour here, right? Hence, we are going to do this at a fast track. Nahin. Ha. Very good question. I think a very valid question for an Indian market. क्या bleach detan add कर सकते हैं? क्या लगता है आपको? See, ideally, as a skin person, I would not recommend. But as a salon, if it is done, is it going to cause any damage? No. So that's what, the higher suitability that we talk about, right? Anybody and everybody can use this because the ingredients are so mild, so nice, and yet so potent that they give you results. As a skin professional, I would never recommend. I am absolutely against bleaching and detanning, right? If the client insists, not ready to listen to you, XYZ, you know what problems you face in the salon, right? Huh? Correct, right? So up to you guys, okay? As a brand, we definitely will not suggest that. It's completely and completely up to you, right? Oh, yes. See, this is again a French brand. They don't do detanning there. They don't do bleaching there. And yet they are on the top. They are the best-selling brand in the world, right? So, of course, result-oriented. They don't need to do detan and bleach, right? We have a fixation for that. But as a brand, we cannot talk about it. Correct? Any questions so far? The cost? Cost, I think you will have to visit this stall to discuss more about it. Right now, I think let's pay more attention on the entire technique. Right? Pardon? Okay. The next is, these are the things. Pardon? The facial, or this step, it's almost 3 to 5 minutes, always, right? No exfoliation can be done beyond that. Your skin will not be able to take it, right? Depending how severe your skin condition is, but beyond 5 minutes, anyways, you cannot do exfoliation, right? There is a threshold to it. Now, these are the ingredients that make this brand so fabulous, right? The first ingredient that you can see, which is a Hydra 3 HA technology, is all about hyaluronic. सबने सुना है hyaluronic के बारे में? क्या करता है hyaluronic? Hydration. Korean skin is all about hydration, right? You need to make your skin plump. You need to make your skin supple, right? जितनी नमी आप अपने skin में दोगे, उतनी skin आपकी soft दिखेगी, right? This is exactly what this product is all about. So I'm not doing one product ka ingredient. I'm doing overall what are the actives used in this facial for these. And we are only talking about the hero product. There are many, many, many more. We are only picking up the ingredients which are going to give me this kind of results. Okay? The next one that you see is 155, a very different way of writing an ingredient. क्यों? कोई बता सकता है ऐसा नाम क्यों है? क्योंकि ये अभी पेटेंट के लिए गया हुआ है. We are getting a patent on that, right? That ingredient. And what is the purpose of this ingredient? This particular ingredient is going to ensure that the hyaluronic really works better. Right? वो mushroom से derive होता है. It derives from a mushroom. Mushroom कहाँ पे पैदा ज़्यादा उगता है? जहाँ पे पानी कम होता है. It's a fungi, right? We all know that. जहाँ पे पानी कम होता है, right? उसका काम क्या है? Absorb करना moisture को. Hydration के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? We need more of moisture. Again, think about the logic behind it, right? And that is what. And I want to ensure that the product really works better. I am adding another enzyme, like, the technology which will work, ensure that the hyaluronic is on a multi-molecular structure. It reaches each and every layer of the skin, right? What is the third thing? Organic rowan berry. ये एक तरीके की berry है. Berry का काम क्या होता है? Antioxidant. एंटीऑक्सीडेंट का काम क्या होता है? कोलैजन स्टिमुलेशन, राइट? एंटी एजिंग के लिए काम होता है. इट एंश्योर्स दैट कोई भी फ्री रेडिकल फ्रीली नहीं मूव करे, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट. सो वी हैव हाइलुरोनिक, वी हैव मशरूम विच हैज अ वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी, वी हैव बेरीज, एंड देन नीचे आपको दो और इंग्रेडिएंट दिख रहे होंगे जो कि आजकल सब प्रोडक्ट में होते हैं. व्हाट इज नियासिनामाइड? व्हाट डज अ नियासिनामाइड डू? नियासिनामाइड का काम क्या है? कौन बताएगा? ब्राइटनिंग के साथ सबसे बड़ा काम नियासिनामाइड का होता है आपकी स्किन को स्ट्रेंथ देना, राइट? हमने देखा था पहले हमारे बेनिफिट्स में था. नियासिनामाइड गिव्स अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ टू द स्किन. एंड ऑफ कोर्स विटामिन सी, राइट? व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ विटामिन सी? ग्लो, रेडियंस, राइट? इंप्रूव्स द इम्यूनिटी. यस, सॉरी, न्यूट्रलाइज की जरूरत ही नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाट आई सेड. फोर्थ प्रोडक्ट उसके ऊपर लगाया, डेस्क्वा क्रीम, जिसकी मैं बात कर रही थी. जब हर स्टेप में आपके दो प्रोडक्ट है. हमने 2 क्लेंजिंग की. हमने पहले एसी पील लगाया, उसके ऊपर हमने डेस्क्वा क्रीम से ये एसी पील भी निकाल रहे हैं, उसी के ऊपर करना है थोड़ा ऑफ करने के लिए. Pardon? After the demo, otherwise it will take a lot of time. You can come to the store and we can show you all the products there. Yes? Yes. And Desco cream is, again, as I said, it's one of the hero product, one of my favorite product, right? Which works fantastically to ensure that now the skin is absolutely clean, clear. और इसके बाद आप, हाँ? Hydrated. इसके बाद अगर आपको एक्सट्रैक्शन करना है आप कर सकते हो. इस पोजीशन पे आपको स्टीमर देना है, आप दे सकते हो, राइट? देयर इज नो मेजर कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशन कि ये नहीं कर सकते, वो नहीं कर सकते. आपको यहाँ पे स्क्रैपर यूज करने आप कर सकते हो, राइट? वी कैन अडेप्ट टू एनी टेक्नोलॉजी वी वांट, राइट? अब ये क्या कर रही है? ये अभी इसको भी क्लीन कर रही है. आर वी डन विद द डेस्को क्रीम? या अब इन्होंने पूरा कर दिया. अभी इसके बाद या तो आप एक्सट्रैक्शंस कर सकते हो, जो कि हम यहाँ पे नहीं कर रहे हैं. करेक्ट? तो हमने 4 लेयर्स कर दिए, 4 प्रोसेस कर दिए, 2 क्लेंजिंग, 2 एक्सफोलिएशन. नाउ आइडियली द स्किन इज एब्सोल्युटली क्लीन, राइट? नाउ व्हाटएवर इज अप्लाइड ऑन द स्किन डायरेक्टली पेनिट्रेट्स इनसाइड द स्किन, राइट? अब हम बिल्डिंग करना स्टार्ट करेंगे लेयर बाय लेयर. कोरियन इज ऑल अबाउट लेयरिंग टेक्निक्स, राइट? दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू पिक अप नाउ, राइट? आफ्टर दिस इज व्हाट क्या हो गया? ये चल नहीं रहा है. ओके, इट्स ओके. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to now start with a toning. Okay. अभी हमें पूरा skin clean कर दिया है. We want to ensure that the pores are back to their size. Then we will apply an essence. Now it is a minute job. Now major काम हो चुका है, right? Now it is only application. जैसे हम hair में करते हैं ना deposit. अभी application. अभी आपके skin को सिर्फ खाना देना है, right? अब हमने clean कर दिया, pores clean हो गए, सब कुछ हो गया. Now we will first wipe the face with a toner. Okay, that is what she is doing. After this, we will do an essence, which is again an essence of a Korean skin, right? These essence are a little in consistency, they are a little stronger, or I would say a little heavier than the toner, right? But has all the right hydrating ingredients in it, right? Which will ensure that whatever is applied on the skin penetrates deeper inside the skin till the dermis, okay? आपने toner लगा दिया, अभी आप essence लगा रहे हो. Now she is going to apply her essence. You are not supposed to remove anything. Now it is only deposit and the layering. Okay? Toner के बाद now we will apply. Yeah. Over this now she is going to apply the essence. Again, just an application. Over that we are going to apply the massage cream. Ideally here you can do a radio frequency, any kind of a penetration, electroporation, ultrasound, anything that you want the product to penetrate deeper inside the skin, right? It's completely up to you. If you're using the hydrofacial machine, you can penetrate the ingredient deeper using that machine as well, right? Once the product is penetrated deeper inside the skin, over that, again, you can first use a machine, then do the massage. राइट आपने प्रोडक्ट लगा दिया, मशीन से जितना पेनिट्रेट होगा उतना पेनिट्रेट करो, उसके ऊपर आप मसाज करना है, आप मसाज कर सकते हो, करेक्ट? उसके बाद क्या करेंगे? उसके बाद आता है मास्क, राइट? वी विल अप्लाई द मास्क एंड वी विल लीव इट फॉर 10 मिनट्स, राइट? मास्क लगाने के बाद इज व्हेन वी रिमूव द प्रोडक्ट. तो अगर आप देखोगे तो टोनर, एसेंस, मसाज क्रीम, मास्क, देयर आर अ डिपॉजिट ऑफ 4 प्रोडक्ट्स. एवरी प्रोडक्ट्स इंश्योर दैट हाइड्रेशन मिलेगा and that suppleness keeps increasing, right? Once the mask is done, now what product are you applying? The essence. Okay, she has applied the essence on the skin. Now over this, she will apply the massage cream. Okay. Now the massage cream is also rich in hyaluronic, right? It's rich in all the ingredients that you have seen. We are not doing the entire massage, itna time hai nahi hamare paas. So we will apply the product and we will immediately move on to apply the mask, correct? So the result that you see right now is by just doing a very fast track treatment, right? Not doing the actual treatment, correct? Because we are not massaging, she is directly applying it with. You are applying the massage cream, right? The mask, you have applied the massage cream? Okay, sorry, she is faster than me. Okay. Now she is over the massage cream, she is applying the mask. Okay. Again, this mask, if you see, is a gel-based mask, and this is exactly what you need, right? बहुत trend है peel off का, इसका उसका, but if I want a glass glow effect, I want a very, very hydrating mask. Right, hydrating outcome, I need to have a gel-based mask, right? And that's exactly what I'm applying on the skin, right? Over this also, if you want to use a machine, you can use it. Completely up to you, right? Now I want to leave the mask for some time, right? Meanwhile, you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Yes. Yeah. Let me go there. Ha. It's on, it's on.
It's on?
Yeah.
In between 2 facials, how many days we should wait?
See, again, ideally the question is back to how many times do we do a facial, right? Again, as the science says, it depends on the age and the requirement, right?
Depend on client's skin,
Depends on the client,
showing the
client's concern, skin type, her age, and her skin concerns, right? Now, if she is, say, somebody middle age, right, not too much of a concern, right, say she is about 35, 40, ideally 1 month is good enough. She can do it in 3 weeks also.
Yeah.
Should not be a problem,
okay.
right?
At least approx 15 days gap.
15 days. We would be more than happy if you come
Not
in
less
15
than.
days. No, but generally, see, this is a food, right? If you look at it, I'm not doing anything aggressive.
Is this cost saving or?
I think it is how you look at it, right? If you want to give outcome to the, and I think now customers are very outcome oriented, right?
Yes.
They don't want gimmicky. They are done with gimmicks now. They are ready to spend if they see results, right? तो अगर आप उनको result दे पा रहे हो, तो फिर मुझे नहीं लगता कि कस्टमर और जितना हम सोचते हैं इतना महंगा नहीं होता, पहली बात तो। एंड आप कितना प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करते हो? सी हमें आदत है 10 ग्राम 50 ग्राम यूज़ करने की, राइट? सबको पता है मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ। ज़रूरत ही नहीं होती। जब आपके पोटेंट इंग्रेडिएंट होते हैं, राइट? आप खाना बनाते हो, हल्दी इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं ना कि 1 चम्मच डालोगे, कड़वा हो जाएगा ना। जितना अमाउंट चाहिए उतना ही डालते हैं। तो दिस इज एग्जैक्टली हाउ स्किन केयर इज, यू नो, जितनी ज़रूरत है उतना ही डालो। ज़्यादा डाल के हमें ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट आएगा ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होता। एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट योर कॉस्ट गोज फॉर यू नो इट्स गोज हेवायर्ड। तो अगर आप राइट अमाउंट यूज़ करते हो एंड इफ़ यू गिव द आउटकम दैट द कस्टमर इज लुकिंग फॉर, एब्सोल्युटली अफोर्डेबल।
And this is the cream based mask, right?
Yes, gel, yes.
Gel based. So in how many minutes we should remove?
Ideally, again, 10 to 15 minutes.
10
See,
to 15.
For any mask to work on the skin, right,
Okay.
you want that absorption to happen.
Okay.
If you can use a machine over it, you can use an LED over it, any technology to ensure that the ingredients are penetrating inside. I don't want to use a machine, absolutely fine. I can just leave it on the skin. कोई issue नहीं है. Correct?
Thank you so much, ma'am, having patience with us.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm a teacher, so I have all the patience. You can keep asking, I will keep answering.
Your 2 students ran away in the beginning itself. Questioning.
Right. No, because I have all the patience and this is my subject.
They didn't even copied.
तो ये मेरा सब्जेक्ट है एंड स्किन केयर ही किया है 20 साल एंड आई बिलीव दैट एवरीबडी शुड गेट द राइट अमाउंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, राइट? बहुत प्रोडक्ट है मार्केट में, बहुत इंग्रेडिएंट हम सुनते हैं, बट अगर हमें पता नहीं है कि उसको कैसे यूज़ करना है, सही तरीका अगर हमें पता नहीं तो आपको कभी भी आउटकम नहीं मिलेगा, राइट? यू नीड टू नो कब कैसे क्या यूज़ करना है, किस पे यूज़ करना है, कितना यूज़ करना है, right? That is important, and I think that is what now brands like Sothis are coming in and they genuinely want to educate, right? हम भी launch कर सकते थे, बहुत easy था हमारे लिए, but क्यों ही कर रहे हैं? और हर प्रोडक्ट को आप अपने हिसाब से, जैसे अभी हमने ये प्रोटोकॉल बनाया, राइट? Sothis is a French brand, they have nothing to do with Korea, but अगर मेरी डिमांड है इंडिया में and if I want to do something, I know if I know the ingredients well, I can create an SOP. Right? I need to be able to cater to each and every requirement that my customer has. और वही हम कर रहे हैं। तो पेशेंस बहुत है, आपको जितने सवाल पूछने हैं आप पूछ सकते हो, जब तक संध्या हमें यहाँ से बाहर नहीं निकालती आप पूछ सकते हो।
लेस इज मोर एंड स्किन का मेन
Okay.
जो फंक्शन है स्किन एब्जॉर्वेशन, जितना एब्जॉर्वेशन होता है उतना ही कोई भी प्रोडक्ट वो कैच करता है,
Correct.
उसके बाद तो सब
करेक्ट। तो
Waste है।
अगर साइंस हम देखें तो 1000 ऑफ आप जो लगाते हो वही एब्जॉर्ब होता है। तो आप 10 ml लगाते हो तो आपके प्रोफेशनल का हाथ सॉफ्ट होगा, आपका नहीं। हाँ, कोई भी मतलब एक्स्ट्रा लगाने से आपको कुछ मिलेगा ऐसा नहीं है। ओके, नाउ शी इज जस्ट अप्लाइंग अ सनस्क्रीन, वी आर ऑन द लास्ट स्टेप। ओके, वी आर ऑन द लास्ट स्टेप। शी इज अप्लाइंग द सनस्क्रीन विच इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप, राइट? फॉर अ ट्रॉपिकल कंट्री लाइक इंडिया सनस्क्रीन के बिना तो हम सोच ही नहीं सकते, राइट? आप कितने दिन बाद मेकअप कर सकते हो? आपको देखो, यू वांट अ प्रोडक्ट टू बी ऑन दिस फेस फॉर सम आवर्स, जैसे अभी इन्होंने किया, शाम को इनको पार्टी अटेंड करनी कर सकते हैं। बिकॉज मेकअप भी अगर आप सही तरीके से करते हो, आप एक बैरियर क्रिएट करते हो, तो आपके स्किन को डैमेज नहीं कर रहा ना। आप सही प्रोडक्ट सही तरीके से अगर यूज़ करेंगे तो कोई इश्यू नहीं आएगा। जस्ट वी से कि आज के दिन सोप से चेहरा मत धोना बिकॉज द एक्टिव्स आर स्टिल वर्किंग। आपको नॉर्मल पानी से धोना है इन द इवनिंग. ऑफ कोर्स 3-4 घंटे का अभी टाइम दे दो बिकॉज अभी अभी प्रोडक्ट लगाया चेहरे पे. ओके, सो द फेशियल इज द मिनी और द एक्सप्रेस फेशियल इज ओवर. होम केयर है ना, ऑफ कोर्स है. नो प्रोफेशनल ब्रांड कैन नॉट हैव वन होम केयर बिकॉज अगर आपको ये रिजल्ट मेंटेन करना है तो यू विल नीड टू हैव अ होम केयर. राइट राइट. Yes, that's what she just asked. I said, of course. क्योंकि आप डायरेक्टली चेहरे पे नहीं लगा रहे ना, आप वहाँ पे भी प्रेप करोगे चेहरे के ऊपर. प्रेप ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, आपको इसके ऊपर अभी प्राइमर लगाना है. प्राइमर के ऊपर आपको पूरा मेकअप करना है. करेक्ट, आप डायरेक्टली नहीं लगा रहे. हाँ हाँ हाँ, दैट्स बहुत माइल्ड फील था. राइट, कूल. यू वांट टू मेक द क्लाइंट सिट? Anybody wants to come and have a look? Otherwise, we are coming down. And you can take a picture outside because I think the next round is ready. Right? Cool. Thank you so much. We will be there at the Stothi's stall. You have any questions, feel free to connect with us. Yes? Thank you so much for a lovely audience. Yes? And I hope I've answered your queries. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Tisha ma'am, for this fascinating presentation. I'm sure we've all gained so much knowledge about this glass skin facial from her today. So I'd like to invite onto the stage Sandhya ma'am to present Disha ma'am with a token of appreciation.